Welcome to this video. In this video I've got something really awesome for you. I'm going to show you a really simple prompt that you can use to virtually guarantee that you make sales with a funnel promoting a Clickbank product, your own product. It doesn't matter what it is. This will help you if you've struggled to make sales with Clickbank, if you've struggled to make sales with your own product, if you've struggled and you got traffic maybe to a sales page or to a funnel and you're still struggling. This will be a godsend to you. So I hope you enjoy the video. Do like and do subscribe. It really helps me know that someone's out there watching these videos. I do genuinely hope that you enjoy the video. There's some really good stuff here, and I want you to use it and come back and let me know how you got on. It will save you hours of effort and really help you. So let's get straight into it. Before we do check out the link in the description. A really quick plug. It will take you through to this page. If you're interested in doing this stuff together, i.e. building a profitable sales funnel and a profitable affiliate site, do check out the 4-week coaching program. It's still available at discount. It's in the description. There's a video on the page that will show you everything that you get and what we're doing together. In a nutshell, what it does is take you through step by step to be able to build an affiliate site that works and a funnel that will work based on nearly 20 years experience online. So if you're looking to cut out the crap, if you're looking to get results, do check that out. It will really help. It's in the link. It's in the description. The link's in the description there. Okay, so let's get on with what we're looking at. Here we go. Okay, so what are we doing? Well, here's the Clickbank marketplace. I've picked Clickbank just because it's a really easy affiliate marketplace to get into. But essentially, to make a sale, we know this. You need to have a product to sell. Okay, no problem. We've got Clickbank marketplace. You need to have people that are willing to buy it with a problem that the product will solve. We know that much, and we have to get in front of the people. Okay, now even if you hit all three of those things, why are you not making any sales? People blast through thousands and thousands of dollars on pay-per-click campaigns with targeted traffic and don't make any sales. So what's going on? Well, we could look at human psychology. There's lots of answers there. We could look at ourselves and how you like to buy things. But I want to give you something that will actually help you today without having to study loads of stuff. Here it is. I've got a prompt here with ChatGPT that will really help you. And one of the main reasons, or the main reason, that you might not make sales with a product you're promoting is because lots of different reasons, but it's either you're not addressing the biggest problem, meaning that there might be a problem there, but it's not a big enough problem that someone's willing to spend money. Okay? The other biggest reason that people don't buy anything from a funnel, from a landing page, is because they don't know you and they don't believe that you can help. It's all right selling something, but if you're just selling something to someone on the first point of contact, i.e. a pay-per-click campaign going through to a landing page, you're going to need way more traffic there. And a good example is the 1% rule. I call it the 1% rule, meaning if you're just selling direct to a landing page, you can expect 1% conversion rates at the best of times, unless you've got a really targeted like net of keywords that you know convert. Cold traffic normally converts at about 1%, and that's bad because if you're spending a lot of money on pay-per-click, getting there for all your different terms, and then you're only converting 1 in 100, it's going to cost you a lot of money, and you're probably not, unless it's a expensive product, you're probably not going to break even. So what's the solution? The solution is to find out the biggest problem that the product solves and offer help to the customer, to the prospect, before they even buy anything from you. Okay? Really simple. It's not rocket science. It's also not a hidden holy grail idea, but your effectiveness with how you do this will relate to sales. And then you can take that 1% conversion rate and up it to a 12, 13, 14, 15 and higher conversion rate, or lower, but it will definitely be higher than 1%. Okay, and that's how you make sales. The best thing is ChatGPT will do the whole thing for you. So check out this prompt. I want you to act as a product analysis and sales strategist. Analyze the following product. I've picked this product, guys. Ngunu tonic. I want you to act as a product analyst and sales strategist. Analyze the following product, Ngunu tonic. And you've got the website here. I've posted the website. And I've asked ChatGPT to identify the biggest problem the product solves for its audience, design a recommended sales funnel that helps address and alleviate the problem before the sale is made, creating trust and preparing the audience to buy. The funnel should include a lead magnet, an email sequence 3 to 5 emails, a landing page structure optimized for conversions, and pre-sale content ideas, blog posts, videos, and so on. Make sure the funnel aligns perfectly with the target audience pain point. And check this out. So it's given me, okay, targets individuals struggling with weight loss due to a sluggish metabolism. So now right away we've got a different angle to go into that doesn't compete with everyone else. Weight loss due to a sluggish metabolism is different to weight loss, just targeting weight loss, that one key phrase, okay? A slow metabolic rate can lead to weight gain, low energy levels and difficulty shedding pounds even with diet and exercise. This issue is significant as it affects physical health. So we've got the number one thing that this product is targeting. We know that now. So we've got our audience that we want to target. Then it's given me a lead magnet idea. Revitalize your metabolism. 5 natural strategies to boost energy and burn fat. Now, if someone knows that they're putting on weight because they've got a sluggish metabolism and you give them a free ebook that revitalizes their metabolism before they buy anything, and then mention if you want to speed up effects or if you want to make this better or you want to get quicker results, you need the Ngunu tonic, and just put it there as an option. That's how sales are made, okay? Rather than just forcing Ngunu tonic down their necks, so to speak. So you can see here, email 1, welcome an ebook delivery. Email 2, understanding metabolism. Explain the role, discuss common factors, introduce how Ngunu tonic natural ingredients can help. Email 3, success stories. Email 4, addressing common concerns. Email 5, special offer. Okay? Now, you're actually helping before with the ebook. You can have links in the ebook. You can make the ebook quality. You could use ChatGPT to write the ebook about metabolism. You've also got a landing page structure here. Unlock your body's fat burning potential with Ngunu tonic. Natural ingredients, proven results. So this is the landing page to sell the product. Brief description, key benefits, testimonials. And you wouldn't really need that if you with Clickbank, because you could just send through on an affiliate link. But there you've got all the pieces that you need. You know who you're targeting. You're actually helping them with a problem before you're selling to them. And because you know who you're targeting, then you can get traffic far, far easier. And the other thing I've done here, guys, check out this. Now give me the keywords that will get traffic without the competition for a YouTube channel promoting the product. Who to target. And it's gone out and given me, okay, to effectively promote natural metabolism booster for weight loss, Japanese tonic for fat loss, how to increase metabolism naturally, best supplements for boosting metabolism. You could do a network of YouTube videos around those key phrases, promoting your opt-in page that gives them help with a funnel that's designed to actually help rather than just sell, and you don't have to worry about conversion rates. Again, this can be done with any product. Go and give it a go. Let me know if any questions below on how this works, how the prompt works and what you're actually doing. In a nutshell, you're finding out exactly who you're targeting, how you can help them in the best possible way with the biggest pain point, even before they buy anything from you. You're being really cool to them because they get something for free that actually helps. And then you're making an offer. Okay, so go and try that out, and you won't have to worry about not making sales. If you're interested in doing it together, check out the guaranteed coaching below, and we'll build a funnel and an affiliate site together. It's all in there, and I will see you in the next one. Cheers for watching, guys.